see guys, it's a foggy right now and rainy. We're going to Buscalan, Benguet. If you don't know this road and you're not familiar with this one, you will be got accident. Look at that fog. It's so foggy-giggy. It's so foggy-giggy, guys. Look at that. It's so foggy-giggy.
It's so magiging. Very magiging.
May rainy day duman talaga. Grabe. Yes ko na.
Later on. Pala sabi mo siguro maidiglo mo ng bukid. Dito pala ba man mauran, mafag.
Nag-oran man baga.
Pagnik din.
Mas mafag duman dahil na nahilang ang
Bago.
highway. Mas halang ka kaya duman.
Ano sa pag?
Ano tayo 250 meters above sea level.
May nasa pag.